Look at that vintage lantern. It's from 1947.
Oh. Hey. 3-line Otis.
Wow. Push up. Oh, you can't go to B.
No. Or M. Isn't it? This is interesting. It's an Oliver and Williams panel.
Cool.
Go up to 3?
Yeah, let's switch sides. I might go down to 2.
Hold it door. I don't need to get off.
And then I'm gonna go down to 2 and then get back off at 3.
Okay.
I want to see what 2 looks like.
Sounds good. Oh, hey look.
I know, it's so vintage.
Level 2. ThyssenKrupp fixtures.
Oh, it has ThyssenKrupp. Okay, let's get off at 3.
Wow.
I know.
Did you see the lantern?
Where? Let me see.
Above the elevator.
Wait, hold the door. I want to. Oh wow, that's so beautiful.
Right.
I wonder if this cab was ever redone.
Without question.
It was, yeah.
It's curved still.
It probably used to look a lot nicer. I love that indicator.
Yeah.
I want to end it here, then I'll go with you when you get your video.
Cool.
I know.
Right.
Hello.
Pretty good, how are you?
Good, good.